Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. We're coming to you from Wilson, Oklahoma. This is our 1957 210 Post Bel Air Resto Mod. It's been frame off restored a few years ago. Power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, 350 V8, 350 automatic, gorgeous victory red paint. Nice rally wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. She runs and drives great. It's got a beautiful motor and beautiful detail under the hood. Lots of nice red paint, lots of chrome. A gorgeous car. Runs and drives excellent. Mallory ignition. Just beautiful inside and out. We're located in Wilson, Oklahoma here at Redline Ranch. Dual exhaust sounds awesome. Lights work great. Very nice paint inside and out on this car. All the way down. Solid original floors, trunk, quarters. No rust issues. Really nice glass. I love all the Bel Air trim. Got gray cloth interior. Glossy black dash. Ice cold air conditioning. Gray cloth headliner and door panels. All new weather strip all the way around it. Really a nice car. Nice trim, all of that. I think technically this is probably a 210 Post that's had Bel Air trim added to it. Really nice chrome. All the way around. Really nice paint that's reflective and looks great. Really nice glass. Just a gorgeous car. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Come to the country in Wilson, Oklahoma and save you some money. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day.